Just add ALUM and these three ingredients in your bathing water, and you will be free from cobweb attacks, spirit attacks, evil attacks, bad luck, lack of success, lack of finance, lack of money. If you can do it very well, follow the instruction, then you are going to come out very successful. Hi, you are welcome back. I am your spiritual counselor. My name is Lukman. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what you can do with ALUM and these three ingredients that I'm going to be giving you in a while. What you can do with them to get rid of any form of blockages in your life. A lot of people are facing spiritual blockages, but they are unaware of it. They thought maybe somebody somewhere is responsible for their problem. But that might not be totally true. I'm not saying it is wrong, but it might not be totally correct. There are so many things disturbing your life, and one of them is spiritual blockages. Spiritual blockages will make you to experience cobweb attack, will make you to see evil attacks, spiritual attacks, eating in the dreams, and so many other problems, lack of success, lack of progress in your work. Some people are 30, 40, but they don't have a suitor. Some are doing businesses, they've done more than 5 businesses. None is successful. Some have been looking for a job for quite an age, but they've not been successful. And they're wondering, what could be the problem? The main problem might be spiritual blockages, because everything that is making you not to be successful are linked to all this. So I'm going to be showing you what you can do with ALUM and these 3 other ingredients to clear these blockages. It is called purification. You are going to be purifying yourself, and once you purify yourself properly, then things will start working for you. You won't be experiencing cobweb attacks, spiritual attacks, bad dreams, eating in the dreams. You won't be experiencing that again. I've done a video previously talking about how to use ALUM to cleanse. I'm going to be putting that here, but this video is more deeper than that one. That one is very effective, but this one is way more effective, because we are going to be combining this with other powerful ingredients. The ingredients are 4. The first one is ALUM. Some people call it ALUM, some call it ALUM potash. ALUM potash is from the sulfate, potassium, and aluminium. ALUM. It comes in like a crystal form, like a block form. Then you are going to be using block camphor, or we call it kafura. And you are going to be using the ball camphor, the round one, the one like that comes in the ball form, the round one camphor. Then that is the 3rd one. Then the 4th one, you are going to be using salt, cooking salt, or sea salt. That's what you are going. So making it 4. If you don't get the sea salt as cooking salt, then you can get the sea salt. So you are going to be using 4. Before I start, one good thing about all these ingredients are that all of them are cleansers. They are for purification. If you, for instance, if you have a meat, a fresh meat, and you don't want the meat to get rotten, you can purify the meat with either salt, with ALUM, or with camphor. You can just like you are using it to preserve it, or preservation. You are preserving it. You can use any of these items to preserve these things, but preferably salt and ALUM. Meanwhile, the camphors are very good cleanser, because you can use it as infusion to cleanse, as incense to cleanse. Those who have used it will tell you that it works. I've also done a video on using camphor for as incense for cleanser. I'll link that for you here. So now combining all these items together makes this recipe to be more than cleanser. Is called purification. Purification. But you are going to be using it as a bath. Now, how do you prepare it? All you need to do is just get the 4 items or ingredients and grind them into a powdery form. Make sure they are into a powdery form. Grind the alum, grind the block camphor, grind the bulk camphor, and the salt. Grind everything together. Once you have it together, then you pour it into a container. So what are you going to be doing with it? The mixture of these 4 items that you have in the container, you are going to be using it to take your bath. And this bath, you can do it anytime. It can be in the morning, it can be in the afternoon, it can also be in the evening. You can also use soap when you want to bathe, or you might not use soap, but make sure to use it. All you need to do is, in your bathing water, just get some quantity of this and pour into your water. Stir it together and offer your prayer. Then you go ahead to take your bath. Just take your bath and continue to use it. Be using it. Make sure you use it until you finish what you have in a container. Make sure you use it almost every day. You notice once you start using it, the kind of dreams you have will be different. And you start noticing that cobwebs attack is no more coming. Evil attack is no more coming. Eating in the dreams, nightmares, you don't have it again. Then good luck will gradually get out of your sight. Then goodness will start following you. Once you cleanse yourself, you purify yourself very well. Everything that you do after is going to get better. If you can do this, I bet you are going to be buying a truckload of all these items, because you wouldn't want this to finish from your hand, and you are going to be thanking me for the rest of your life. In fact, you are going to be sending me something. I'm so confident about this that you are going to be sending me some money for doing this, some gifts for doing this. You send me is something I'm so sure of. This one is not a matter of saying where that may be. I'm so sure of this. And this recipe might be difficult for you to find on the internet or anywhere, because it's not something that a lot of people know. So it's a secret. I'm giving it to you because you are a valued subscriber, and because I want you to succeed. Because my belief is that once you succeed, I will succeed. That is why I say we can all succeed together. So I'm not holding anything back from you. All I want you to do is like this video, share it, then leave your comment. And if you are not subscribed, make sure subscribe and hit on the notification bell, so that when next I release videos, YouTube will notify you immediately that Smart Idea has uploaded a new video, and you'll be the first to watch it. If you enjoyed this video, then you definitely enjoy these cleansing videos here. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.